What does your ideal customer look like? When it comes to marketing online, it's a good idea to get a picture in your mind of what your ideal customer looks and is like. I know this sounds strange, but bear with me. You see, your marketing efforts will be more effective if you think like you're talking one-to-one with your ideal customer when you're writing your blog posts or advertising copy. The same goes for when you're choosing what products to sell, create, or endorse. Think about it, when you're shopping for Christmas or birthday gifts and cards, you have a specific recipient in mind, don't you? The same holds true here. Get very specific. Are they male or female? How old are they? Where do they live? City, suburb, small town, out in the country? What do they do for a living? What level of education do they have? High school, college, grad school? Are they single? Married? Divorced? Do they have any kids? If so, what ages? What kind of car do they drive? How do they vote in elections? How much money do they make? Are they spenders or savers? And so on. As the old saying goes, birds of a feather flock together. The same holds true of people, and you need to tap into this when organizing your business and honing in on a niche, like we talked about last video. Somebody who drives a brand new Mercedes is going to be in a different income bracket to someone who drives a beat-up 10-year-old Chevy with a dent in the door, for example. Likewise, someone who follows President Trump on Twitter is going to have a different set of opinions to somebody whose blood pressure goes through the roof every time they see the guy on TV. Bear in mind that you can't please everybody, so don't even try. Define your ideal customer and keep this person in mind with all you do.